In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find someone on Facebook by their phone number. This can be a helpful tool if you're trying to connect with someone and you only have their phone number at hand. Before we dive in, please note that this method only works if the person has linked their phone number to their Facebook account and has set their privacy settings to allow it to be searchable by others. Let's start by opening your Facebook app or heading over to the Facebook website on your browser. Once you are logged in, you'll want to navigate to the search bar, which is typically located at the top of your screen. This search bar is your gateway to finding people, pages, and more on Facebook. Now, in that search bar, type in the phone number of the person you're trying to find. Make sure to enter the full phone number, including the area code, as it is linked to their Facebook account. This is an important step because Facebook matches the phone number directly with the account it's registered to, so accuracy is key here. While this search method can be effective, it's crucial to understand the limitations. For this to work, the person you're searching for must have added their phone number to their Facebook account and made it searchable. This means they have to have configured their privacy settings to allow other Facebook users to find them using their phone number. Not everyone chooses to make their phone number public or searchable, so if the person has strict privacy settings, you might not be able to find their profile using this method. If your search yields no results, it could be due to their privacy settings being particularly strict. In such cases, there's a chance they might prefer not to be found, or they might have removed their phone number from their account altogether. It's always a good idea to respect people's privacy settings and boundaries on social media platforms. To sum up, finding someone on Facebook using their phone number can be straightforward if their privacy settings permit it. Always ensure you have the correct phone number and be mindful of privacy preferences. If you don't succeed, consider reaching out to them through other means or waiting until you have more contact information to enhance your search. I hope this guide has been helpful and you now feel more confident in using Facebook's search features. Thanks for watching, and remember to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.